guys, Dashran here, and I've been playing through a copy of Pokemon Y because X was the first game I wanted to relive the adventure. And I just got to the part where you catch Evoltol, so I thought, why not do it with you guys? I love this cutscene. Look, it's a cocoon. Maybe I should poke it. This game came out like 5 years ago, didn't it? Wow, that makes me feel old. Yes, we get it, you're loud. Oh yeah, by the way, I'm recording this in a different place where I usually record my videos. I don't know if it's better or worse, but yeah, this beautiful bird. And I'm gonna throw the Master Ball, Pokemon X and Y, the Quick Ball, because the Quick Ball is OP, especially in these games for some strange reason. Do you guys see like Munching Orange catch Mewtwo with the Quick Ball? That was so funny. Yeah. I love this music, and it did like Ultra and Ultra Moon as well. That was so good. Yeah. Let's just appreciate this magnificent beast. I caught it. Oh, come on. Oh well, I had a backup plan. Right, I did have a plan. And then I'm going to do the Lysander battle as well. So if I can catch this guy quick enough. I love this legendary theme, it's so good. It might just be because X was the first game. Oh, come on, Evoltol. I've seen people catch you 4 HP with a Pokeball. And the first time I played X, back in 2013, I was such a big noob, I threw my Master Ball at Xerneas. Come at me, haters. I didn't know that it was quite easy to catch them with normal Pokeballs at full health. But here I am throwing Ultra Balls with it paralysed. Come on, please. Yes. Down. When its life comes to an end, it absorbs the life energy of every living thing and turns to a cocoon once more. And that is Evoltol, the destruction Pokemon number 149, Dark Fly, and all that blah 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 stuff. Yeah, I'll give you a nickname. I know this isn't a shiny one, but I'm still going to call you Bacon Bird, because I'm actually going to use you on my team and I can't think of anything better. Yes, I'm not amazing, but okay. Oh, Lysander, you okay? We just foiled your plan, so ha ha ha. Oh, bird. It's not bad, I just caught an Ultra Ball. What are you going to do? Break my Ultra Ball? Imagine if you had a full team, you didn't choose to add it to your party. You're gonna have to, you can't get into my PC system and not telling you my password. Or however Pokemon PCs work. Bacon Bird. Yeah, I do not regret this name. This guy only has 2 decent moves in his moveset though. Oblivion Wing and Dark Pulse. Then he has like the Sable, like Star and stuff. Those aren't that good. But the Sable is... Nah, the Sable's pretty bad. No. Fiery Field. Yeah. Pyron. I am not fighting a Pyro. My team is finally complete. Feels so good. What a shuriken! Ash Greninja! If Ash Greninja was in this game, that'd be unfair, because then you'd have to get like the other 2 Kalos stars, forms like that. But this game came out before that part of the anime, so yeah. Battle bond ability. Wow. But at least I get to throw water shurikens. I'm literally throwing miniature Staryus. I never knew. I honestly never knew. I didn't even think I needed to know that Greninja likes Staryu that much. I mean, good old attacks of it. And I'm just kidding. I know the shurikens. I know they're not miniature water Staryus. Staryu isn't water type. What am I even talking about at this rate? What were we talking about? Gyarados. Because everyone knows this Gyarados has a little secret that they don't want us to know about. It's a Mega Gyarados! Oh no, oh no, oh no. I really like Mega Gyarados. I didn't like one of the new Pokemon entries. I think it's like from my Usum. It says that it wants to burn things to the ground. Or was it normal Sunbeam? I don't know, but there's something funny about a water type demanding that things burn. Do I always find that weird? I realised that I'm talking about Sun and Moon while playing X and Y. No, no, no. A signal beam. Because my Meowstic needs more XP. And that did absolutely nothing. I'm surprised not going for some sort of dark type move. You are a dark type. Ah, well, at least I got the toxic damage. Oh no, my baby. My baby, how dare they do this to you? And it died from toxic damage. Ah, wow, I still won. Yeah, he's pretty upset. Yeah, blah, 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 I don't care. I just saved the world and stuff, and that's pretty cool, but I honestly don't care about it. I think you're having a bit of a mental breakdown there, buddy. Yep. It's funny how I get the Mega Ring and I'm not even using any Megas on my team. You know, in my X team, let me tell you my X team, my Pokemon X team was Delphox, Talonflame, Venusaur, Kangaskhan, Bibarel as an actual Pokemon. That was a HM slave, and Xerneas, and of course we had the broken Mega Kangaskhan and Venusaur. Yeah, that was my original team, and I love that team. I actually still think that all of them are over 100 except for my Delphox. Anyway, cutscenes. Woo! Destroying the ultimate one. Is Lysander committing suicide? Yeah, they never really answered that. I know that he's in Pokemon Ultra Moon, but he goes to a world where his plan succeeded because there was no dash fan or whatever to stop it. Because like he was right about fire, and then like, I think he says like an ultra wormhole appeared when he was about fire, some stuff like that. I don't know. I already did see episode Rainbow Rocket in my Ultra Moon, but when I get up to that point in my Ultra Sword, I've just got to the Elite Four in that game. I'll definitely do like maybe like a like mini series on episode. Oh hey, it's Cena and Dexio. They're in the mood. Or at least it's like the Masked Heroes or whatever they're called. Yeah, that's good. Yep. Oh, are you finally going to propose to me? No, we just got friend zoned. Oh, hey, it's AZ. Is this video gonna end? Well, the man is you. Why are you referring to yourself in third person? Why? Why are you referring to yourself in third person, you weirdo? Well, actually, it's not that weird. Anyway, guys, that's it for this video. It's sort of like a one-off. Stay cool.